Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to switch it up a little bit. We're going to do a bit of a breakfast thing. We're going to do a sardine, egg and cheese omelette. As you noticed, I've drained my sardine, getting rid of all the brine, and then I'll tip it out in a little dish. And what I'm doing here, I am removing the scales. Sardines got some tiny scales on and some inner bits. I break it open and remove them. I don't like those on it. If you're okay with them, it's fine. You can leave them on, but I don't like them on. You know, little bony bits you see me moving, and all the scales, I try to make sure I remove it all, or else when you're eating it, you'll have little bits of scales in your mouth. So while I remove that, in another bowl or dish, I'll break the eggs. So for this you'll need 3 or 4 eggs, because you need enough eggs so you can have 2 or more omelettes. Here I'm making 2, so I'll end up using maybe 4 eggs. So you just break your eggs as I'm doing here. Just break them. Here I'm just giving my hand a little wash after I've broken the eggs. I'm back, and you just use your fork and whisk away. I choose to use a fork and not a whisk because I just think it's just easier just to whisk it away with a fork. Then I'm adding a bit of salt and a bit of black pepper. Just for taste, you just add that in, and then you just whisk that together again. Not much, just whisk it so it's all mixed up. And then you add your sardines. So here you just get your sardines in, and then you're gonna whisk again. Just mix it all up so it's all blended nicely. And just remember to sort of mash your sardines a bit so you don't have too much, just big bits. Then you get your pan with a bit of cooking oil. I use this amount of oil because I don't want it to burn. And yes, the oil is already used because I've done my first omelette and I'm just recording doing the second one. So you just pour your mixture in your pan with your oil. Leave it to settle a bit before you turn, and then you will be adding your cheese. We'll do that in a little while. You just add your cheese, sprinkling it across like I'm doing there, because when you fold your omelette over, you want your cheese to stay in the middle. So you just, there you go, add all your cheese and just leave it to cook a little while, and then you're going to turn it. Omelettes never always only flip over when you want it, so, but it's fine, it will be okay. Once you turn it on the other side again, it will be great. Just let it fry. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes to completely fry, completely cook. So if you just keep turning it and just make sure, you will know when it's cooked. You will know how long you cook your eggs for. And there you go, it's coming on. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And when you try this omelette, don't forget as well to come back and leave me a comment down below, and I will respond. I promise I will do. Yeah, so here's our omelette, it's coming on. And so again, we've got some paper towel and we're going to drain the excess oil. So always remember to do that. It's important to get rid of your excess oil from your fried food. So there you go, it's all on the paper towel. Turn your cooker off, remove your pot from there, and now I've cut this so you can see what it's like inside. It's nicely cooked. Your cheese, you've got your melted cheese there, yummy. Great protein breakfast, and enjoy. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like. Enjoy.